Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to be going over Project T-Shirt Store, Step 0. First, go ahead and click on the tab. It's going to open up Vocarium. Vocarium's main page is going to look like this. This is known as the terminal. I'm going to make myself some more space. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and scroll down to Step 0, which goes over Module 3. Before you start though, please make sure that you do read the instructions all together. Module 3 does go over the version control basic Git commands. Those commands would be git add, git status, git commit, and git push. The first portion wants us to create a new file named step 0 file text, and it wants us to add some content, hello world from step 0.text. It wants us to put those changes in the local repository using the git commands like git add, git commit, and git push. So first and foremost, to start, we're going to go ahead and create the file. But before we do that, we need to get in the proper directory. That directory is the src main resources. To get there, the command that we're going to use is cd. Perfect. Alright, now it looks like we are there. Once we are there, we can now create that file. What we're going to use to create the file is touch, the touch command. That's what it wants us to do. Step 0 file.text. Perfect. We're going to do ls to check to see if it's in the file. It looks like it is. The first step was a success. The second one says add the text. That text is going to be hello world from step 0 file.text, where it ends in .text. And it wants us to add it to the file. The way that we're going to add from Module 3 was echo. Hello world. Make sure that grammar is absolutely correct. From step 0 file.text. And then we're going to do 2 right arrows. And then we're going to use the tab button to autofill the step 0 file.text. Looks like it went through. Alrighty. Step 2 was a success. Now what we need to do is use the git add command, and when we do git add, you're going to do a space period. Okay. Now it looks like we have the item or the file staged. To check, that's where git status comes in place. So git status. Okay, main branch mainline, perfect. New file that we created is step 0 file.text. The next step is to commit that change using the git commit command. Not only are we going to just commit it, but we're also going to add a message. So the way that we do this is by typing in git commit -m, starting quote, and then whatever message that you want to place. Step 0, goodness, step 0 complete, end quote. Perfect. So it looks like we had changed one file and we inserted something. The last portion, or the last step, is to push it into the repository. Git push. Same thing with git add. We're going to do a space period. Everything says that it's up to date, so it looks like it worked. The last step is to actually run it. run dash workflow space step dash 00. Okay, this may take a second. Perfect, build success. And that completes step 0.